What is a student-led IEP meeting? In an individualized education program or IEP team meeting, the student, family, school, and related service personnel come together to plan for the student's special education services. All members are equal partners and important to the process. It becomes a student-led IEP team meeting when the school and family teach, encourage, and ensure that the student is a prepared and active contributor to the development and leadership of the planning and outcomes of the IEP meeting. The student participates with the other members of their team to plan special education services to support their own learning and growth. Students learn to best advocate for themselves when they can develop and practice using their advocacy skills in a safe and supportive environment within the student-led process. The student's voice, input, and participation is key for the team to develop the IEP. Focus the conversation and pre-planning on the student's interests and strengths, goals and challenges, need for specific supports, and the time to create and practice what they want to share. The goal is student success. A student of any age or ability can start to lead their own IEP team meeting. A student can send the IEP invitations, introduce themselves and others, share their likes and dislikes with a speech, poster, slides, or video, explain what works or doesn't, such as strengths or challenges in their learning, and discuss their goals for their future and how they see their path to future success. Instruction to enable a student to participate in the IEP team process should grow and develop as the student progresses through school. A student becomes more engaged in IEP team meetings by learning how to help set targets, choose accommodations and needed services, and co-plan next steps to transition to adulthood. When a student leads their IEP team meetings, they gain important skills in self-determination and advocacy that they will use for the rest of their lives. Schools and families are more engaged and collaborative in the process, which leads to better outcomes for the student and stronger partnerships within the entire team. A student leads their IEP team to create a truly individualized IEP that best reflects the strengths they have identified, paths they want to explore, and resources they need to pursue their dreams. To get started in supporting a student-led IEP team meeting, first, explain the purpose, scope, and benefits to all staff, families, and students. Next, communicate repeatedly with the family to explain their youth's role and to gather the family's insight. Then, plan time for a staff member to work with the student on how and what the student wants to lead and contribute to the IEP meeting. Finally, give the student time to create, practice, and refine their contributions. Contact Patton today for more information on student-led IEPs and how to implement them in your school.